We all know about the tips and tricks around the tax exemptions in the old tax regime, but these are the 4 things you must know around the new tax regime, which will help optimize your exemption and minimize your tax load. So what are these 4 things? Let's try to understand in under 1 minute. First is standard deductions. सरकार ने तो 12 लाख तक की सैलरी exempt कर दिया था. Now it has increased the standard deductions by 75,000 more. So basically this means simply if your salary is 12.75 lakhs yearly gross, then you will not be taxed. Second is contribution to NPS. So basically what this means is you can ask your employer to contribute to your NPS scheme. For example, if your salary is 40,000 basic pay, तो आप आपके एम्प्लॉयर को बोल सकते हो कि 10 to 15% which is basically 5K to 8K वो आपके NPS स्कीम में कंट्रीब्यूट करे. तो इससे क्या होता है, आपके वो अमाउंट 5K to 8K becomes नॉन टैक्सेबल. बहुत सारे लोग ये गलती कर बैठते हैं कि सैलरी जो कि टैक्स कट करके उनके हाथ में आता है उससे कट के वो कहीं और से एनपीएस करवाते हैं, नॉट फ्रॉम देयर ओन एम्प्लॉयर, एंड दैट लूजेस मनी. Don't do that. Ask your employer always to contribute to your NPS. Third is special allowances. सब लोगों को तो सैलरी स्लिप दिखते ही होंगे and you all know about the allowances that are there in the salary slip. So what this basically means is अगर आपको fuel से, internet bill से, conveyance से बचाना है तो this is a good option. For example, your take hand salary is let's say 1 lakh. अगर आप 10,000 मंथली कट कर देते हो उससे and you submit the receipts for all those bills, for example internet, food, fuel, at the end of the financial year you will get that 10,000 back and that 10,000 will not be taxable. Fourth is the 30% bracket. One of the most common strategies I've seen from the people who are in this 30% bracket is the car lease plan. So क्या होता है, ये लोग खुद cars नहीं खरीदते, instead they ask their employers to buy the cars or lease the cars for them. तो इसमें क्या होता है, 3 to 5 years के लिए कंपनी उनसे छोटी छोटी रकम लीज में मंथली कट करते हैं एंड दे एक्चुअली ड्राइव द कार, एंजॉय ऑल द सर्विसेज दैट द कार हैज टू प्रोवाइड. और 5 साल लीज पीरियड के बाद वो लोग 5 साल बाद के मार्केट वैल्यू में वो कार अपने नाम करवा लेते, खरीद लेते. So this is a big savings and you should know about this also. So these are the top 4 things or top 4 strategies under the new tax regime which can help you save money. Do share it with someone who may need it.